Hello, Drew, Bradley. Meet our new bird. I'm just joking. This is my grandpa's old bird. This is our new bird. Lemon. Meet Lemon. Our new bird. We got her from Petco about, I don't know, maybe 2 hours ago? Maybe less. We got her in her cage maybe half an hour ago. She got a new toy. We got her. She got a new perch. So this is actually the same cage that Whitey lived in. It's been cleaned pretty good. These guys pooped every 10 to 15 minutes, so we think it's a she, and that's Tito, our old bird. He's lonely because his mate died. And he has a new friend now because Whitey used to be his friend. And yeah. So yeah, there's Lemon. She's scared of hands right now, which she won't be for long. As you can see when I put my hand in the cage, she goes away. I'm petting Lemon. She let me pet her. Lemon. All right. Hi, Drew. Hi, Bradley. This is Khalil. And goodbye. Please thumbs up and subscribe.